Let's look into your entitlement. Are you sure it says Standalone on premises and you're planning to activate it on a Windows Uniface machine? Here's how you activate your Standalone on-premises served license by generating a login code, downloading your license file, and configuring the licensing options. You generate a login code to activate the license. The first step is to obtain the login criteria. Log in to the Sentinel EMS with the entitlement ID from your Standalone on-premises entitlement. Click on your entitlement and click Activate. This opens a form to generate the license file with the login code. Make note of the login criteria. With these login criteria, you generate the login code using WEchoID, allowing you to activate the license. Navigate to your Uniface's common/bin directory. Run WEchoID.exe. Select the login criteria applicable for your license. Now copy the login code listed in code, starting from the asterisk. With the login code you can activate and download the license. In the EMS portal, paste the login code into client1 value. Click Activate to create the license file. Download the license file and upload the license file to a location on your Uniface machine. Now on your Uniface machine, you open your assignment file. You can configure $license options to point to the local license file. Now you have activated and installed your Standalone on-premise license.